Shut up and sit down.
Thank you for clicking to take a look at what is finally revealed. The number one secret of making money in a home-based business. Firstly, are you earning all the money you ever wanted? Do you want your financial dreams to come true? My name is Deb and I'm hiding back of house today as I've just come out of a bout of COVID and don't scrub up so good. You can visit any of my platforms to see that I am real and I have much to teach you. I want to tell you about an amazing system that will help you earn commissions on autopilot. I built this system to assist new entrepreneurs to build a brand and a plentiful income stream with any business, things that are about to change. Firstly, I start with building your brand and showing you how to do that. Secondly, I show you how to make an income stream out of that brand. And thirdly, I then show you how to build on that income stream. So now, this is not going to come without hard work. You can do it as a side hustle. You can basically do it as a full-time business, but it comes with pain and work. So if you're not prepared to do work, skip on over to another click with some shiny object. But if you're prepared to put in the work, I have already set up the systems to ensure that you can be a success. Welcome to Grow Your Sales. I look forward to working with you over the next few years, building your wealth and increasing the opportunities to build even further wealth. Look forward to talking to you on the inside.